Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. Today we'll talk about garlic and some of the amazing health benefits it packs that surely will blow your mind. So before we dive into the main part of the video, we'd like to remind you to subscribe, like, press that notification bell and share with your friends and family. So make sure you wait to see the good part of what will happen to you if you slide a piece of garlic beneath your pillow. Garlic is a plant known around the world and grows ideally in mild climates. It is of the same family of onions, leeks, and chives. The bulb of this herb typically consists of 10 to 20 smaller sections called the cloves. Each small clove is a powerhouse of flavor as well as medicinal properties. Garlic has a captivating odor and a strong aroma. It is usually a common ingredient for cooking, as a spice to boost flavor in many dishes. It is also a powerful remedy for many ailments and is highly valued for its numerous health benefiting properties by many cultures for thousands of years. Our ancestors have used it as a bug-repellant and against plague in medieval Europe. Garlic's many health benefits are credited to the presence of sulphur-containing compound called Allicin, found in fresh crushed or chewed garlic, due to which it has anti-bacterial, anti-fungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies mention that it may help prevent some forms of cancer like stomach and prostate cancer. It is high in calories, carbs, and protein. Garlic is also enriched with vitamin B, folate, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and zinc. The high sulfur content in garlic gives it so many health benefits. The medicinal value of garlic is best unlocked when it is consumed raw or semi-cooked. So, stay on to see what wonders garlic can do for you and what it will do to you if you put it under your pillow. 8 health benefits of garlic you may not have known about. 8. It's a blood purifier. It's a good treatment for acne as it purifies your blood from inside and get you a healthy skin on the outside. Garlic helps to cleanse your body and flush out toxins. 7. Helps with cold and flu. Garlic is going to provide you relief from cold and flu, but also build your immunity against these frequent viruses. 6. It has good antibacterial and anti-parasitic properties. Garlic has been effective in treating naturally so many ailments for thousands of years, like food poisoning. Also, it has been used as an antibiotic to treat bacterial, fungal, and parasitic infections. Studies suggest that diluted garlic helps treat tapeworm infections. A garlic-based mouthwash is sufficient to ward off cavity-causing bacteria. 5. Cancer prevention. Many studies have shown a correlation between daily consumption of garlic and prevention of stomach and colorectal cancers. It is said to strengthen the immunity of the body against cancer. 4. It works well against skin and hair problems. The medicinal properties of garlic protect the skin from the effects of free radicals and slow down the depletion of collagen, which leads to loss of elasticity in aging skin. Applied with hands, garlic does wonders to skin infected with fungal infections and provides relief from skin ailments like eczema. It is also an effective remedy for fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworms. Rubbing crushed garlic extract on your scalp and massaging with garlic infused olive oil is known to prevent and even reverse hair loss. 3. It removes splinters. Garlic is beneficial in treating stubborn splinters. Place a piece of garlic over the splinter cut and cover with a bandage, and watch the splinter disappear. 2. Heart protection. Researchers at Emory University School of Medicine found that Diallyl trisulfide, a component of garlic oil, helps protect the heart against damage and heart attacks. They also believe that it could be used as a treatment for heart failure. Lastly, we're going to answer the main question of 1. What will happen to you if you slide a clove of garlic beneath your pillow? Did you guess it by now? Okay, let's provide an explanation. Garlic is dense with valuable nutrients like zinc and high concentrations of sulphurous compound known as Allicin, which naturally promote relaxation, helping you fall asleep faster. A clove of garlic placed beneath a pillow is believed to bestow a calming effect on the nervous system, thanks to the sulphurous compounds that are released from the garlic. The scent of the garlic may take some getting used to, but it's definitely worth it for helping you with a good night's sleep. Not only that, it helps you recharge your battery for the next day and helps you with increased energy levels. Another method to benefit from garlic's ability to aid you sleep better is trying this traditional remedy at bedtime. 1 cup of milk, 1 clove of garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Add a clove of crushed garlic to a cup of milk and heat the mixture gently in a saucepan. Once the mixture has simmered for around 3 minutes, take it off the heat and add honey to taste. Drink it around half an hour before your preferred bedtime to enjoy its sleep-inducing benefits. If you liked the video, give it a like and share it with your family and friends. If you want more tips, remedies and recipes, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you all soon.